Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Saturday, June 20th. We are bringing you an update as we have significant information to share with you today. On Thursday, we confirmed Kauai's first new positive case in over 2 months. Since Thursday, the Department of Health has been investigating this case and identifying close contacts, including other members of this individual's household. Those household members were tested yesterday, and as a result of that testing, we learned late last night that we now have 7 additional cases, bringing our total number of active cases here on Kauai to 8. All 7 new cases will be moving into isolation, and numerous other contacts are in quarantine. The Department of Health is continuing its contact tracing efforts, and those identified as close contacts will be notified by the Department of Health and offered testing. I would like to invite Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman to share more details about this new development.
Mahalo, Mayor Kawakami. Our Kauai District Health Office mobilized quickly to respond to the situation that you described. We are doing extensive contact tracing and working closely with the affected families to limit the spread of disease while also making sure that their health and well-being are protected. Fortunately, no one requires hospitalization at this time. In fact, today's newly identified cases are currently either asymptomatic or only very mildly ill. COVID-19 spreads very easily, and as you have heard me say, we knew it would return to our island. So this is not a surprise, although we are sorry to see it return in such numbers. We have made good use of the last several weeks in which we had no cases here and have greatly increased our capacity to manage COVID-19. We've become more accustomed in our community to wearing masks and keeping our distance from others. We have excellent testing capacity with both PCR and antibody testing available by doctor's orders and drive-through testing sites across the island. The turnaround time for test results is usually only 1 day. We've trained more than 50 contact tracers in our Department of Health office, and we have isolation and quarantine facilities firmly in place on the island. Our healthcare providers are accustomed to managing COVID patients, and our hospitals have increased their ICU and ventilator capacity. As we move forward with more activities and particularly with more travel, we will no doubt see more cases, so we will put our new skills and new capacities to good use. We will continue to keep our community as safe as we can while also going back to work and to economic activity. I'll walk through the events of the past few days. Our initial case was identified after he sought medical attention and was tested for COVID-19. The test was processed expeditiously by the State Department of Health, and confirmation came in late Thursday. The individual had not recently traveled, and we have not been able yet to identify the source of his infection. Our investigation continues. We arranged for isolation for that individual and quarantine and testing of his household members. 7 of those household members, 3 of them children, were confirmed positive in test results returned last night. Those 7 are being isolated beginning today. All of these cases resulted from in-home transmission. The Kauai District Health Office is continuing our contact tracing work over the weekend. All close contacts of the confirmed case are in quarantine. They are also being offered COVID-19 testing. Our public health nurses will check in daily by phone with all cases and all contacts. These phone checks are to see whether people are showing any symptoms and to ensure that their general needs are being met. We have adequate testing capacity for these contacts, and in anticipation of additional contacts, we have ordered materials to dramatically increase our local testing capacity. I'm confident that we can handle this outbreak as we've been handling cases so far. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Berriman. The return of COVID-19 to our island was expected, but it is disturbing, and as Dr. Berriman stated, if you are identified as a close contact of this household cluster, you will be notified by the Department of Health and offered a test. In the meantime, the best course of action for all of us is to act as though you have the virus, act as though everyone around you has a virus, and then act accordingly. That means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.